Modern design, quiet streets, and that Queen Creek lifestyle that everybody is chasing.
Nestled in the growing town of Queen Creek, Arizona, Encanterra offers resort-style living unlike any other in the Southeast Valley.
Built in 2023, this home feels fresh from the moment you walk in. It's got open layout, clean lines, and space that just flows. Natural light fills every corner. The kitchen anchors the home, and every finish is made from comfort and style.